To manifest wealth, align your thoughts and feelings with the abundance you seek, and the universe will respond in kind. Neville Goddard. Unlocking financial abundance is more than a matter of effort or luck. It begins with the power of the mind. The master key to success lies in understanding how your inner world influences your external reality. When you grasp the concept that your thoughts and beliefs shape your financial outcomes, you hold the key to transforming your financial situation. The first step in unlocking financial abundance is to recognize that the universe responds to the vibrations you emit. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are powerful forces that set the stage for what you attract into your life. To create financial abundance, you must align your inner state with the prosperity you desire. This alignment starts with imagining yourself already living the life of financial success you seek. Start by creating a clear mental image of your desired financial situation. Picture yourself in a state of financial abundance. See the numbers in your bank account, envision the freedom and security that comes with financial success, and feel the emotions associated with this state. The more vivid and detailed your imagination, the more effective it becomes. This mental rehearsal allows you to imprint your desire on your subconscious mind, which then works to bring this vision into your reality. Your beliefs play a crucial role in this process. If you hold limiting beliefs about money, such as thinking that financial success is out of reach or that money is difficult to obtain, you will create barriers to achieving your goals. It's essential to challenge and replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirm to yourself that you deserve financial abundance, that you are capable of achieving it, and that it is already on its way to you. These affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your beliefs with your financial goals. Another vital aspect is to practice gratitude. By acknowledging and appreciating the abundance you already have, you create a positive vibration that attracts more prosperity. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is present, reinforcing the belief that more abundance is possible and available to you. Make it a habit to express gratitude daily, not only for the financial gains you are experiencing, but also for the small blessings and successes that come your way. Visualization techniques can be incredibly powerful. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial goals as if they have already been achieved. Imagine yourself enjoying the benefits of your financial success, whether it's traveling, investing in a dream project, or enjoying a luxurious lifestyle. Feel the emotions associated with these experiences: joy, relief, excitement. The more real and intense your emotions, the more compelling your visualization becomes. The practice of living in the end is also essential. This means acting as if your desired financial outcome has already been achieved. When you live in the end, you align your daily actions and decisions with the reality of your success. This approach helps to bridge the gap between your current state and your desired outcome, making it easier for you to manifest financial abundance. To enhance your manifestation process, take inspired actions. These are actions that feel right and are in alignment with your goals. They are not driven by desperation or need, but by a genuine sense of purpose and direction. Inspired actions often come as intuitive nudges or ideas that arise during your visualization or meditation sessions. Follow these cues as they guide you towards opportunities and steps that align with your financial objectives. In addition, practice patience and persistence. The process of manifestation requires time and consistent effort. It's important to maintain a positive attitude and continue to reinforce your beliefs and visualizations even when you don't see immediate results. trust that your efforts are working and that your desires are making their way to you. The key to unlocking financial abundance lies in mastering your inner state. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with your financial goals, you create a powerful magnet for prosperity. Your imagination, beliefs, and actions work together to bring your financial desires into reality. Think about this understanding, and you will discover the ease with which financial success can be achieved. As you continue to practice these principles, you'll find that financial abundance becomes a natural part of your life. The process is not about forcing results, but about aligning with the flow of abundance that already exists. By mastering the art of aligning your inner world with your outer desires, you unlock the true potential of financial success and create a life of prosperity and fulfillment. To truly harness the power of financial abundance through the principles of mental creation, it's crucial to explore additional dimensions that amplify and support this process. Beyond visualization and affirmation, integrating mindfulness and emotional management can significantly enhance your ability to manifest wealth. Firstly, understanding the role of mindfulness in financial manifestation is key. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice helps you become aware of negative or self-limiting thought patterns that might be blocking your path to financial abundance. By regularly engaging in mindfulness, you can catch these thoughts early and replace them with more constructive and empowering ones. This conscious observation and adjustment of your thought patterns create a fertile ground for positive financial outcomes to flourish. In addition to mindfulness, emotional management plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process. Emotions are powerful indicators of the state of your internal environment. When you are in a state of joy, contentment, and excitement about your financial goals, you naturally attract more positive experiences and opportunities. Conversely, if you dwell in feelings of anxiety, fear, or doubt about money, you inadvertently create a barrier to your success. Therefore, developing strategies to manage and elevate your emotional state is essential. Practices such as meditation, journaling, or engaging in activities that bring you joy can help you maintain a positive emotional frequency. Another effective strategy is to use the principle of assumption in a more nuanced way. Assumption involves living as though your desired financial outcome is already a reality. However, this can be taken a step further by also focusing on the daily experiences and habits of someone who has already achieved their financial goals. For instance, if you desire to be financially independent, consider how you would manage your time, make decisions, and handle daily tasks if that independence were already your reality. Begin to incorporate these habits into your current life. This not only aligns your actions with your goals, but also reinforces the belief that your desired financial state is attainable and within reach. Here, integrating gratitude with a focus on abundance can create a powerful synergy. Instead of only being grateful for what you currently have, expand your gratitude practice to include appreciation for the wealth you are in the process of manifesting. Visualize your gratitude as if the abundance has already arrived and feel the genuine appreciation for it. This practice strengthens your belief in the manifestation process and enhances the magnetic pull of your intentions. Networking and building relationships can also be a valuable component in attracting financial success. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you in your financial goals. The collective energy and shared knowledge from such environments can offer new insights, opportunities, and encouragement, further aligning you with your financial objectives. Lastly, continuously educating yourself about financial management and opportunities can complement your manifestation efforts. While mental techniques are powerful, practical knowledge about managing money, investing, and financial planning ensures that you are prepared to make the most of the opportunities that arise. Combine your mental and emotional alignment with practical financial skills to maximize your potential for success. By integrating these additional practices with your mental and emotional techniques, you create a robust and dynamic approach to manifesting financial abundance. This holistic method not only aligns your internal state with your desires, but also prepares you for practical steps and opportunities. Through consistent application of these principles, you unlock a deeper level of financial prosperity and pave the way for sustained success. As we reach the end of our exploration into unlocking financial abundance using these powerful techniques, it's clear that the path to manifesting prosperity is both enlightening and achievable. By understanding and applying these principles, you're taking significant steps towards transforming your financial reality. Moreover, expressing gratitude not just for what you have, but also for the abundance you are expecting, reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest wealth. This practice not only enhances your positive outlook, but also amplifies your vibrational alignment with your financial goals. Building supportive relationships and networks is also important. Engaging with others who share your financial ambitions or who can offer encouragement and advice contributes to your growth. The shared energy and insights from such interactions can propel you further along your path to financial success. Educating yourself about financial management ensures you are prepared to handle the opportunities and challenges that come your way. By combining mental techniques with practical financial knowledge, you position yourself to make informed decisions that align with your goals. As you apply these principles, you're not just setting the stage for achieving financial success, you're also cultivating a mindset that can attract and sustain it. Your journey towards financial abundance is a combination of mental clarity, emotional positivity, practical action, and continuous learning. If you found this information valuable and are ready to apply these techniques to your life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By liking, you help others discover this transformative content. Subscribing ensures you stay updated with the latest insights and techniques to help you achieve your goals. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these strategies. Leave a comment below to let us know how these methods are working for you or to ask any questions you might have. Your engagement helps us provide more content tailored to your needs. In a world full of distractions and conflicting advice, staying connected with our channel will provide you with a consistent stream of valuable insights. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you achieve your financial aspirations. So, hit that like button, subscribe to stay in the loop, and let's continue this journey together towards unlocking your financial potential.